حاجه مختصره كده بالمصري كده ماشي سيرش. لا السكاي ووركس ماينز لغايه دلوقتي المتوفر عندك من 3450. تمام. هي طبعا انت محتاج تعمل اكتر من كده عشان تسوي ابجريد، سواء انشورنس او سواء تشتري سكاي رقم على الحاجات اللي انت بتسافر مثلا على الدول.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another vlog. Well, it's been a long time since I did not post anything online. So to make up for it, today I'm gonna post two videos instead of one. One will be the vlog and the other one will be basically the event coverage from the Comic-Con, which has been pending since forever. So the vlog is going to be about these fidget spinners, which you see in the hand of children. Actually, you see it in the hand of everyone now. And I've basically get them everywhere, but I've heard if you wanna see a variety of them, you have to go to the Dragon Mart. So without any further ado, let's go to Dragon Mart. Look at that. Now I'm supposed to go out, but I don't want to disturb this bird from resting there. So I had to wait a bit for the birdie to move from my car, because you know it's summer and the bird is relaxing on the car, on the private property basically, and I didn't want it to hurt the bird's feelings, so I let it finish taking rest, and once it moved I came to the car. So now I'm gonna go to the Dragon Mart, and you guys are of course coming along with me. So let's go. My friend? Huh? This one how much?
What happened? 30.
30. How long it will flip?
7 minutes.
7 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I tell him, ask first, madam.
Okay, I think I did. So I'm finally back home. I got my first ever spinner, or whatever you guys want to call it. As you guys saw, there were like hundreds and thousands of different designs there. You name it and they have it there, like from Transformers to Captain America, Iron Man, Star Wars, whatever team you want, they have their spinner for it. But the main purpose of this thing is, as they say, is to keep you busy or increase your concentration or release stress. In a way, I think it's true. I mean, I'm using it since the last half an hour, 1 hour, you can call it, and it's really helpful. It helps you release the stress. I mean, let's say what's stress? Basically, you see a lot of times there are people who are, when they're sitting in the classroom, in the car, wherever, like people, they shake their legs, they peel off their nails and play with their lips or with the hair. Different ways to basically see the signs of stress, and it's basically a negative energy which is coming out it has to come out in one or another way, basically. And if you see the old people, they have these breads and they play with them or pray with them, whatever, but it's in a way they're releasing stress. And if you see the Chinese people, they have these meditation balls, which it's meditation ball, it has metal inside it, and they roll these and it gives a relaxing sound. So this comes under the same category of tools, I think, which helps you release stress. At the same time, it's nice, it's cool, just play around with it. I took this one which rolls like for 8 minutes. There were other ones which I bought which are just like for 1 minute, 2 minutes. I bought I bought many here for my friends, so I'm gonna give them and help them release their stress, especially the ones who are in the events. And that's it basically. And by the way, there is nothing special inside it. There is just a ball bearing. I cannot remove it with one hand, and it's just like all the sides of this thing are having equal weight, so when you roll it, in a way basically it balances out and it doesn't stop rolling, of course depending on the ball bearing inside. So it's a bit hot right now outside. Later on I'm gonna go and play with the drone, and also I ordered a new tablet from Amazon. I got it. It's NVIDIA Shield. It's not a new tablet, it's an old tablet, but it's a very powerful tablet, and from what I heard, it's the best Android tablet which money can buy, which you can use for basically drones. So I'm gonna go out and test it out, and you guys will of course be coming with me. So keep watching, because as the sun goes down, I'm gonna go out and start playing with the drone.